You be careful. Be careful. Sit down. No, you need to sit down. Good girl. You say hi, Aunt Kim? Say hi, Aunt Kim. Say thank you for my rocker. Can you say? Can you say thank you? Thank you. Thank you, Aunt Kim. That's sign language for thank you. We're not allowed to stand up. You need to get down. Good girl. Oopsie. She loves her rocker. Oh, you giving your rocker kisses? Say bye-bye. Bye. No, you need to sit down. Say bye-bye. Bye. Bye.